The constant traffic, 24/7 operations and a wide variety of spaces make airports one of the toughest environments to keep clean. While challenging, the Nilfisk Liberty SC50 is ready for the biggest and toughest jobs and will get the dirtiest floors clean any time of day, with no one watching over it. The SC50 is the only third-party certified machine in the market, making it safe to operate in dynamic surroundings. The SC50 has 3 efficient modes of operation that are easy to program and operate. With fill-in mode, the operator drives around the area once, and the SC50 calculates the most efficient path to clean the interior of the space, avoiding obstacles along the way. Copycat records one full manual pass through an environment, and the SC50 replicates it perfectly. And manual, for those unexpected accidents or everyday tasks. The Liberty SC50 is part of the autonomous cleaning portfolio from Nilfisk, a global leader in intelligent cleaning.